this morning. I woke up at 5:15. I go into the house. I lay down about 5:45. Lane starts to bawl his head off. Okay, I mean just scream. And Lane doesn't just. He screams when he cries. I mean, it's like he just screams. It's not a normal cry. It's a scream. Like ah, ah. And then all of a sudden, I hear Kathy takes him into the kitchen for a glass of water, and then she's leaving the kitchen, and all of a sudden she trips over the thing, and all of a sudden I hear a big thud. She falls on the ground, and I'm thinking to myself. And then Jesse comes down. Jesse must think, Jesse's got to think this family is absolutely dysfunctional. I feel sorry for Jesse so much. I just don't know what to say anymore. I mean, it's almost to the point where it's almost unreal. It's almost unreal. It's almost unreal. So that's what I've had to deal with this morning. Okay. Now, and I have a slight headache again. Then I got Adam Hurt constantly calling me. It's almost like that. It's almost like it's almost like Adam Hurt. I'm his long lost father. You know what I mean?
Okay, so I'm looking at it. I told this morning that
it's kind of like I'm his long lost father. It's kind of like Adam. Now what?
Everything's full. Alright, so I'm just gonna, I can ship it as is.
What are you doing here?
Oh, okay, so there's a partially fulfilled one from another order for an I-wheel truck. Okay. Okay, will do. Alright, makes sense.
What, is that my other dysfunctional son?
Yes.
I figured.
What were you saying, Danny? Alright, will do. Yep. Bye. Makes sense. Makes sense. Do what you gotta do. Alright, bye. Here,
You got to double check what.
To be restocked. He already pulled it.